Jumanazarova. I think I got that. Jumanazarova in the blue, even though her flag is all red, and even though the flag is mostly blue, Acosta is in the red. Jumanazarova, like a Metzger, but under a leg, on the shoulder, and feet to back. Acosta is trying to fight off the pinfall attempt, and she does. Jumanazarova. She's already got one world gold medal. That was in Oslo in 2021. Jumanazarova also has 2 Olympic medals, silver in Paris and bronze in Tokyo, trying to get back to the top of the podium. Shot from Acosta. Jumanazarova spins around. 2 more, 6-0. Halfway through the first period, Jumanazarova firmly in control. Shot from Acosta. No panic from Jumanazarova. And just a front trip whip over, and that'll be a 10-0 score. The only question is, does Jumanazarova go for the pinfall? And she says, nah. There's a pin there, maybe, but let's just take the dub, get off the mat. Very impressive stuff, though. Good fight from Acosta. She was firing off shots. Wasn't just trying to win